How to recover recently deleted ChatGPT chats. Accidentally deleted a ChatGPT chat. Let's explore what happens when you delete and what you can do to recover or prevent losing conversations. So, once you delete a chat on ChatGPT, it's permanently removed from your visible history. Unlike email or cloud storage, ChatGPT does not have a recycle bin. So to avoid losing important chats, use the export data feature. So you'll find this once you click on your profile at the bottom left corner of your screen and then select settings from here. And then on your settings, head over into the data controls tab. And then from here, go ahead and look for export data. So this sends a copy of your conversation to your email. If you just want to hide chats, what you can do instead of deleting is to archive chats. So click on the three dots at the right side of the chat, and then under that, you'll be able to find this archive button. So click on this to archive this specific chat. Archived chats can be restored, but deleted ones cannot. Copy important conversations into a document or note app. This is the safest way to keep a permanent record. If chats are missing due to account issues, use account recovery tools on the login page. This restores your account but not deleted chats. So there's no undo button for deleted chats. Always double check before hitting delete and use backups to stay safe. Deleted ChatGPT chats can't be recovered, but with exports, archives, and backups, you can protect your conversation.